Okay, question number 5. A satellite orbits Earth at an altitude of 400 kilometers. What is the best estimate or the time taken to complete one orbit? So, altitude. Now, what we do is let us consider like this. This is the Earth. Okay, this is the center of the Earth. Radius of the Earth is around 6,400 kilometers, right? And then at an altitude, so this is the altitude at a height of 400 kilometer. There is a satellite which is revolving around like this over here, like this over here. So what is the time taken? See, this is a problem on estimate. So actually, if you want to work it out, you need to work it out using your Kepler's third law, but we are not doing all these things. Okay. So what we do is now, when you have something like this, how do you proceed? That's the question. See, let us take this one here. So if it takes 24 hours, what do you mean by that? The satellite is at a very farther distance, and this is what you call it as a geostationary satellite. Geostationary satellite. It moves along with the, what you call, the Earth speed itself. So definitely it is not 24 hours. Wrong. 1 week. If 24 hours, see, if it's a geostationary satellite, the distance it has to be should be around 36,000 kilometers. Okay, so definitely it is not 24 hours. Larger the distance, lower the speed, and higher the time it takes. So based on that reason, you can say this is also incorrect. What about 10 and 90 minutes? If it is 10 minutes, 10 minutes is very, very close. Very, very close. Then it has to go with a very, very high speed. Okay. But if I say very close, will this be 400 kilometers? No. The 400 kilometer satellites are generally called as low orbit satellites, LOS. Okay. So usually our ISS, the International Space Station and all this are in this range, and they travel with a speed of somewhere around, not the speed, the time taken by to complete one full revolution is seen to be around 90 to 100 minutes. Therefore, the answer could be B over here. Okay. What is important here? Either you should know the logic behind, okay, what is the satellite and how much time does it take. Typical examples of satellites, what is the cosmic orbit, what is the low range orbit, what is the high range orbit. You should know about this. If you know this, then you can solve such kinds of problems.